there will be a day when paper, digital paper, is very similar to analog paper as we know it. It may be a foldable device that you can put in your pocket easily, that you can roll or fold, that is flat, that doesn't need a big battery, and then you have just the smarter version of paper. You don't need to throw it away every day. It is a more ecological device, and reading is just a lot more sophisticated and simply the better experience. So why would we worry about that? When we defined the strategy of digital transformation in 2002, it was then a company of 1.5% of its revenues coming from digital. It was a totally analog and a completely German company. And we have then, in a way, defined 3 principles how to do that, because it is at the beginning always a cultural change that you have to implement. And we said, on the one hand, no silos. So that was perhaps one of the most fundamental decisions, and it was in sharp contrast to what most of the other media companies did. We have to make sure that everybody is part of that growth and success. So we have said we share responsibilities. Everybody in the company is in charge to digitize its content, its business model, its service. And that was very difficult. It took us a lot of time, but in the end, it created a completely different mentality in the company. That was the first principle. The second principle was no fear of self-cannibalization. That sounds easier than it is done, but we really said cannibalization is going to happen anyway, so let's do it ourselves.